Alright, we're going to do Space Invaders Volume 4. So, as you can tell, we have sort of kept the same friendly spaceship, but have changed the, this is Python written in Pydroid, but we've changed the enemy spaceships. And I'm going to go ahead and write another version of this where these things kind of break formation and come down and fight you. No, I said I was going to do that, but I really am. And I'm going to try to change up the spaceship, my spaceship too. Because it kind of looks better than it did on the first iteration, but it's still not up to satisfaction. So I'm going to change that too. So then I'm going to go ahead and make it to where you can get to a different board, or where these things can come attack you, or just going for a high score on one board is not really all that exciting. So we want to get to another board that has different formations of fighters, of enemies, and maybe some of them have to be hit twice before you can destroy them, just to increase the difficulty a little bit. I can increase the difficulty through the program, but it's not the same. So I'm going to try to throw some variables in there. Of course, this can run on any Python, so if anybody wants the source code for this, I might end up putting it in the YouTube video. If you want to run on Python, if they have like a Python program that they can run Python code on. There you go. There you have it. There's really no risk of you dying in this game, so that's what I'm going to change. I want to make it to where they break formation, come in and attack you, or at least hurt you or something. And then eventually I'll get more advanced with it. I'm just still learning how to write with Python and video games, so. There you have it. The fourth iteration of Space Invaders by Jeff Dennis. So, written and coded by Jeff Dennis. So you can play with the auto taskbar hidden, because see how far these guys get down. I'm on level 12 right now. It'd be really hard for these guys to get you, because it takes forever for them to get down to where you are. You're going to make them to where they can break formation and come flying down at you, or at least shoot at you, or both. Here they come, they're after me. Got me, they killed me. Alright, that's cool. There you have it. Fourth iteration of Space Invaders by Jeff Dennis.